Go on. Yes, grandma, pick up yourself. I love how you move, grandma, up on the bicycle.
A polygon is a closed for girl.
For girl, what the fuck like you talk say? Close figure! Jesus Christ! Yeah.
Miss a girl.
Stop around put me. You want me tell you say? Hey, that's a nice car.
Oh, thanks.
Is that yours?
Yeah, man.
Are you Jamaican?
Yeah.
Suck your mother.
Attempt 12. Bend the corner.
Boy. Watch it. Don't move. Wait there. Wait there, don't move.
How?
I'm afraid. I'm afraid of them already.
But wait, no kiss on that, poo. Say Saturday love woman, you see, man. Say love woman like in daddy, you know, man. And gents, be careful of him, you know, man. Can we stiff up on you with the little cat there, you know?
You know me like you otherwise though.
Alright, the phone I break up.
You say you know I like you otherwise though.
Hello?
Auntie Dana,
Me not hear you well.
you hear me now?
No, I'm come like something. Paul, I see if internet are cut there.
Yeah, it's a cut out.
Yeah, internet are cut.
It's a cut out.
Internet are cut.
Yeah.
Me not hear me now. One other time when you call again, you hear me not hear you well, it look like something wrong.
Alright, that's it.
But let me tell you, I'm a cousin people, them, and me just like take a number. Well, I'm a cousin them.
Every second I your cousin, sister, brother. Me no blood clot business. You take me for idiot?
So no, me can't talk to family member.
No! Me no want you talk to nobody. Here who you have to talk to? Me. And me you have to talk to.
One drunk, one dead dog, one shit house. Me no have no blood clot shame and no limit. So if you want total and see who for more better than blood clot, cause I test more testing. Blood.
Pepper, I want you.
I can't whistle, but everybody else can.
I don't come in the kitchen for come out here with the fuck.
Hey Instagram, just chilling here with my future husband. Say hi to the camera. Oh,
What future I go?
Wait, look off the light for.
Well, husband, I go, me still can't do them thing, man. Oh, have you done that? Me tell you, I can't do them thing, dog. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. How we do them? What future I go? Eh? Me tell you, I can't do. Yo, Jesus. Oh, you know what? People probably see them thing. How we do, man? You can't do them thing, you know. Me tell you about them thing, you know.
Babes.
Eh? No babes, man. You come put on live video. Oh, I'm telling you, man.
That's not how it's spelled, but how it pronounced. Massachusetts. I'm done now for the Massachusetts. Done now for the Massachusetts. Don't know for the massa whatever. Me not can't say it again. Watching from.
We got Mr. Greenmouth today. Mr. Green, you could stay over there though, but like, can you show me on the board like how to do this? Cause I don't understand this. But from a distance.
Hold on,
though.
I'm coming. Don't come.
What's the problem?
Oh no. Your breath?
Get out. Get out.
How you a whole Bible teacher and your breath stink? That's a whole sin, bro.
I'm feeling you.
OJ, look at your WhatsApp before I cut off your Metro PCS.
Dad, nobody uses WhatsApp. We can get you an iPhone or iMessage or something. That bum ass LG with the button on the back, bro. Like, what is this? There was a boy playing football on the field. He saw the devil as his goalie, but Jesus as his savior. That never happened, bro. That never happened. Y'all be taking these Caribbean lies and then mixing them with these Bible verses and sending it to the whole Brown family. Go on, devil worshipper. Yes, I got something for you. Would you accept your son acting like this in your household? Get out my house. No, bro.
How long you take to chill with my youth? I cut my youth. Too early now. No, dog. Yo, my youth.
Yo, get up! Get up! Get up!
Who this man?
Hey, you got to me, lad. Me and a friend. I'm a chimney pussy. You fuck me, girl.
What do you mean?
You fuck me, girl.
My youth, me a strength.
Me and you fuck me, girl. Listen to that man now.
So Mike, you not do it too. Mike, all the barber do it. Him do it. And tall man beat it to my youth. Say if you have to beat me, you have to beat every man. You have to sure to beat me and my youth. Because the man in here knock your girl, my youth. That man I make you know my youth. Control your girl and knock it.
You fuck her. Just tell me the truth, man. I'm gonna feel no way. Yes. Susan! Sorry. A reflex. How much time you fuck her? Nah, answer that. I'm gonna lick you. 3 times. Susan! Susan!
Okay, and are you sexually active? Must get that. So stick broken out your ears and hear the man talk to you. The man say if you fuck, that the man say. Me never hear.
Sir! Master, sir!
Sit down. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now?
Ladies, me I give you advice about dating Jamaican man, alright? If the man mother like you have a chance of getting a good relationship. But if the man mother not like you, better you just go about your ways. Cause it's gonna be the most stressful relationship you have ever been in. You go lose some weight. Me I tell you that.